In Chapter 7, we will go over a list of compatible external storage options and explain how to connect them to your Stream+. In addition, we will discuss the formatting process and expectations when used to support the Google Live Channels application. The Stream+ supports two external storage options, microSD cards and USB hard drives. For DVR recordings using the Google Live Channels app, Channel Master highly recommends using 1 TB external USB hard drives. An important note regarding microSD cards. Thanks to customer feedback and our own in-house testing, we have found that many of the SD cards available online are counterfeit and do not operate as intended. Once you have a 1 TB external hard drive, ensure that your Stream+ is powered on and that you can see the Android TV home screen on your television. Then, connect the external hard drive into the USB port on the back of the Stream+. Your Stream+ will recognize the storage and ask if you would like to set up as DVR storage or set up as removable storage. To use the storage for Live Channels DVR, select Set up as DVR storage. The Stream+ will format the storage to work with the Live Channels app to store your DVR recordings. If you choose to set up as removable storage, this will allow you to use third-party media apps and provide access to your own personal media.